Hello everyone. Let's learn some colors and 2D shapes. Yellow color, purple color, light pink color, dark green color, light pink color, sky blue color, red color, grey color, light brown color, orange color, light yellow color. This is black color. Let's draw the shape. Semicircle, orange color. This is semicircle. I am coloring the semicircle with different colors. Orange color, green color, green color, pink color, light pink color, red color, this shape is semicircle with different color, orange color, green color, light pink color, red color. This shape is semicircle. Thank you for watching. Please do share, like and subscribe. Bye.